Now take an example. Let's say that I'm taking 2 upon 1. What is the answer for this? 2. 2 upon 0.1. What do I get the answer? 20. If I say 2 upon 0.001, this will become, look at the way the number is growing. And kids, this video is going to be a bit longer video because I'm going to teach the entire concept in it. But I promise you that if you see it 2 times, rational number will be registered in your mind. You will be able to solve all kinds of questions that are there in your NCERT book, in R.D. Sharma, everything. That is guaranteed. Are you with me? Let's continue. Now, if I put this number, sir, your writing is 0. I'm writing this. Is this 0? No, it is not 0. It is coming closer and closer to 0. Now look at this. What will be the answer for this? How many zeros are there? 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And what is this? Indian system. You have studied that when you were in grade 6th. This is nothing else but 100, 1000, lakh, crore. 20 crore. That means as soon as this number comes closer and closer to 0, the number is becoming very big. And that is the reason 2 upon 0 is not defined. And they give it as infinite. Hope I am very clear. Can I go further? Yeah. Question. Is 0 a rational number? Yes, 0 is a rational number. You remember getting, if ever you got 0 out of 10, 0 out of 20, 0 out of 100, and this is forming a P by Q, where 0 is an integer and 10 is an integer. Therefore, 0 is a rational number. Okay. Probably what you can do is you can pause the screen and take a screenshot or write it in your notebook. I really recommend you to write it in your notebook. The one which I just showed you on the figure. All natural numbers are whole number. All whole numbers are integer. All integers are rational number. We are going to the next slide. Properties of a rational number. The moment when I speak about property, what do you mean by property? What is this word mean? Rational number and the property. 1 minute. I think my screen went before. When I talk about property, do you remember there is something called as salt at your home? There is sugar. When mom is making, let's say she is making a hot cup of tea or a chocolate milk for you, what is she going to add? Will she add sugar or will she add salt? Sir, what a question it is. My mom will only add sugar. But why? Because sugar has got a property. This has got a property. Sugar has got a property of what? Of sweetness. But the same thing is in case if mom is making your best of your biryani or your dal or whatever it is, she is going to use salt. That is a property. Similarly, mathematics, numbers have got a property. What are the properties? And this is one of the things which I have seen most of the kids finds it's difficult to understand. It's a very simple thing. I'm moving to the property now. I have got the properties of rational number. I'm talking of a closure property. I'm talking of commutative property. I'm talking of associative property. I'm going to talk about distributive property. I'm going to talk about identity property. I'm going to talk about inverse property. When I say closure property, if I add two rational number, what will I get? Will I get a rational number? If I get a rational number, that means closure property holds right when I add a rational number. Example. Suppose if I have got a rational number 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3, I'm going to get this answer as 6, 5 by 6. And what is 5 by 6? 5 by 6 is a rational number. If I do this minus 1 upon 3, what do I get? I get 1 upon 6. Again, it is a rational number. So that means closure property holds true for rational number.